French cuisine is considered one of the best cuisines in the world, renowned for its elegance, sophistication, and the sheer variety of flavors and textures it offers. From the bustling bistros of Paris to the quaint countryside kitchens, French food is a celebration of culinary artistry and tradition. It is characterized by its diversity, passion for food, and meticulous attention to detail. French chefs are known for their dedication to perfecting their craft, often spending years honing their skills to create dishes that are both visually stunning and delicious. Here are some famous dishes and recipes in French cuisine. Croissant. This iconic pastry is a staple of French breakfasts and is loved worldwide for its buttery, flaky texture. A famous French pastry characterized by its light and flaky texture, the croissant is made from layers of butter and dough that are folded and rolled multiple times to create its signature airy layers. Made from butter and flour and shaped like a crescent, the croissant is a testament to the French mastery of pastry making. The process of making croissants is labor-intensive, requiring precision and patience to achieve the perfect balance of crispiness and softness. Usually served as a breakfast meal with coffee or tea, croissants are enjoyed by people of all ages. Boeuf Bourguignon. This hearty beef stew is a classic example of French comfort food. A beef dish cooked slowly in red wine with garlic, onions, carrots, and mushrooms, Boeuf Bourguignon is rich in flavor and has a melt-in-your-mouth texture. The slow cooking process allows the flavors to melt together, creating a dish that is both robust and comforting. It is considered one of the traditional dishes of the French region, Bourgogne, known for its wine and culinary heritage, Ratatouille. This vibrant vegetable dish is a celebration of the fresh produce of the French countryside. A vegetable dish made from a variety of vegetables such as zucchini, eggplant, peppers, and tomatoes, cooked in a special way to create its rich flavors. Each vegetable is carefully prepared and layered to create a visually appealing and flavorful dish. Quiche. A pie made of flaky pastry and filled with a mixture of eggs, cream, cheese, meat, or vegetables. Quiche is a versatile dish that can be enjoyed at any time of the day. It can be served hot or cold, and is often accompanied by a fresh salad. The most popular type is quiche Lorraine, which contains bacon. This savory pie is a favorite in French households and is often served during family gatherings and special occasions. Tarte tatin, a popular French dessert consisting of caramelized apples covered in puff pastry and then baked upside down before being flipped and served. The tarte tatin is a delightful combination of sweet and buttery flavors, with the caramelized apples providing a rich, deep sweetness that is perfectly balanced by the crisp puff pastry. Soufflé, a special type of food that can be sweet or savory, characterized by its airy and light texture thanks to the beaten eggs. The soufflé is a true test of a chef's skill, as it requires precise timing and technique to achieve the perfect rise in texture. Chocolate fondant, a rich, gooey chocolate cake that is runny in the middle when cut. This decadent dessert is a favorite among chocolate lovers, and is often served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream to balance the richness of the chocolate. Foie gras. A dish usually made from duck or goose liver that has been specially raised to be tender and rich in flavor. Foie gras is a luxurious delicacy that is often served in high-end restaurants and is a symbol of French culinary excellence. French cuisine places a great emphasis on quality and aesthetic presentation of food, with each dish being carefully crafted to please both the palate and the eyes. The use of fresh, high-quality ingredients is a hallmark of French cooking, and this commitment to excellence is evident in every bite, making it one of the most appreciated cuisines in the world. Whether you are enjoying a simple baguette with cheese or a multi-course gourmet meal, French cuisine offers a culinary experience that is both satisfying and unforgettable.